Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for Tubi error code 09001020. The error reads, "Something went wrong. We are having issues playing this content right now. Please try again later." As per our research, the error occurs when users try to stream content on the Tubi mobile app. During our research, we were unable to find any official information on the error, but it looks like the error is likely caused by temporary app issues, outdated app versions, or server-related problems. Now, let's move on to the possible fixes for this error. The first thing you should try is restarting your device and then checking if the error still appears. If the error persists, then check if the Tubi app needs an update. If an update is available, install it and see if the issue is resolved. If updating the app doesn't fix the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Tubi app. Once reinstalled, launch the app and check if the error still comes. If you still receive the error, then check if your device firmware needs an update. If an update is available, install it and check for the error again. If none of the previous fixes work, then the issue is likely server-related. In this case, we suggest waiting for a few hours or a day and trying again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.